Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevin coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we're going to look at another awkward court appearance. This is a little something I'm going to call Funny Old Lady in Court. Let's do it.
Right here, click on it, right here.
Now,
Ma'am.
okay, ma'am, you've been charged with resisting arrest and violating an injunction. Now,
Here we go. Grandma's resisting arrest. I picture her trying to flee on a hover round.
state, I know she's out on bond on a case, right?
She's out on ROR in the case. Pre-trial.
Does she have any priors?
No,
Ma'am, I'm talking to the prosecutor right now, all right? So just give me a
I'm
moment.
sorry. Sorry.
I was hoping for a huge rap sheet here. I think it would have made the video better.
What? Trace, do you have anything?
Did you talk to the alleged victim? Right.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
got an issue with probable cause.
What is it?
I'm not. So she's charged with violating the injunction. There's nothing in the probable cause affidavit to indicate that she was technically served with the injunction. Case 150000970. And there's nothing in docket track to indicate that she was served with the injunction. And I'm reading from the injunction, from the petition, that it says the police advised petitioner, that was Abraham, to leave his apartment for a couple of days and then come back. Petitioner stayed with his sister, Rosalind Dweck. Apparently that's where he resides. And my client's claiming that she lives at the apartment that's listed on the police report. That's where she lives. He lives with her sister while this is pending. I'm sorry, he lives with his sister while this is pending. And then it's alleged that she changed the lock. There is no, as I said, I don't believe that the petition has ever been served on her, but she's claiming residency of the apartment while he's staying with his sister while this whole thing is being sorted out.
Well,
Thank you. We'll find proper prosecutor.
I don't see anything else, Your Honor. I don't see anything else. One thing I do see is, let's see. She does have a hearing. I guess she has a hearing scheduled for March 5th.
Okay, so I don't think, here, where I'm going to go. That's going to ensure that you have no
I wasn't in that
contact
plane.
directly
Next
or
thing you
indirectly with the protected party, Abraham Shyness. You are not allowed to call him, text him, email him. You are to stay 500 feet from him at all times. That's where he lives, where he works, anywhere in between. Ma'am, you're getting a second chance on this case. I don't particularly feel like keeping an 80-year-old woman in the jail who has no criminal record. But this is your second warning. Don't go around him again. All right?
Say something, Your Honor.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Mr. Shanus, Abraham Arthur Shanus, and I have been legally divorced for 31 years,
Okay.
and I have the papers to prove it.
Oh, poor Abraham. He's been divorced for 31 years and he feels compelled to get a restraining order from this woman. Run for your lives, man.
Got it.
We both resided at 2102 Lucaya Bend, and he paid for the apartment entirely. His assumption is because he paid for the apartment, he's entitled to do as he pleases.
Do you have an attorney, ma'am? Do you have an attorney?
Only pro bono from the case of last week. Very confusing.
Ma'am, can I tell you? I can't get in the middle of who owns the apartment.
I know, that's not the point. The point I'm
is,
telling you,
I need to keep you away from it, all
I
right?
haven't bothered him for 31 years. Why would I bother him now?
Apparently you have.
That's a great question.
That's the
I don't know.
$63,000 question, ma'am.
Used
here's
to be
the thing.
64.
Okay. Well, that was before my time. Look, ma'am, just don't have anything to do with him. Stay away from him.
I
all right?
swear to God and all that's holy on a stack of Bibles, I will never go near him, talk to him, call him, or
What was
even
the
look
first
at
thing
him.
you were going to swear on besides the Bibles?
All that's holy.
What?
I don't remember.
Oh.
What?
All that's holy.
What?
All that's holy. Yeah.
Oh, all that's holy. Yes, sir. I didn't recognize your twang.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, or the dogs get it.
Ma'am, have you ever thought of doing a stand-up routine? Have you ever thought of that?
I did. If you pay me good money, sweetheart, I'll be there. I'm really short of funds.
Ma'am, I got to tell you something. You seem like you have a great wit about you.
I do, sir.
Yeah, so
I mean, sweetheart, that's the only thing I have.
I've been called sweetheart in this courtroom since, I guess, Mr. Miller took over. But
Really?
just kidding.
Does that mean you're taking me for breakfast?
Let me ask you something, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
How have I done as a judge today? So far, how am I doing?
Not bad, but you could do better.
Ooh, shots fired.
Can we get a drum roll with this?
Did you take pictures and audio? Did
Yeah.
you save yourself a lot of
We got
time?
it saved here, ma'am. And make sure, aren't you supposed to say, and make sure you're going to tip all the bartenders and waitresses? You'll be here all week.
No, I don't tip anybody. I make them banana bread and chocolate pudding pies.
You know who's had more than enough of her wit and her banana bread? Abraham.
There you go. Well, he probably.
I make a mean chili.
There you go, ma'am. I got to tell you, you brighten my day, ma'am. All right.
That's what the last guy said. And
Okay, that was charming.
then he sued me. Sir, do you take your medication?
Don't be disrespectful.
Why is it not disrespectful? Aren't you glad I got you from pro bono?
I'm glad
They give you a buck for
you
relief.
came in my court today.
Well, that was kind of fun, and God bless him, her attorney there was wise enough to cut off her mic before she did any real damage. Yeah, you know, this is on the edge, but the judge was rolling with it, and she could see that. So it was kind of a fun little court appearance, and at least it ended up better than a lot of my other awkward court appearances, like No Pants or Drunk Attorney in Court. Links in the description below. Here at Law Talk, we do a lot of videos answering common legal questions. We also do reviews of law in the movies and then on TV. We also share some of our more interesting cases. We're always putting out new videos. So if you like that, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell.